Okay, good practice throw. Good practice throw.
There you go.
Whoa, whoa.
Left-handed. Thank you very much.
This kid's ambidextrous.
Yeah, he'll be every angle.
Throw him, buddy.
Oh, you need to flip it upside down. However you want to do it. Is that a thumber? Throw a thumber.
Yeah.
There you go.
Whoa! Up to daisy.
Power for his own good.
But
Does that hurt your bum bum? I see your belly button. You stealing my mini? What are you doing with my mini?
What do you mean, what mini? What mini?
You
I
want
don't know
something?
what you're talking about. I see nothing but Gavin's shirt.
Do you need a mini
There's a
pocket?
disc in your shirt.
Do you need
I
a-
don't see nothing.
Get that thing out and throw it, Gavin.
Put it in your pocket.
Alright, I'll throw it.
throw it,
You
bud.
caught me.
Whoa. Oh, come
Throw
on.
a big one.
Give us a good straight one.
Look at he's grabbing his
You know you can do it.
I think it did.
He's too excited. Whoa.
You
Whoa.
got power, but you need
Throw it
to
over
aim that way.
there. Throw it over there.
He's like, oh, okay.
I don't want to skip it.
Here you go.
I want to skip.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, you better throw that one again. Get it over the top of the thing. I'll
Yeah.
throw the ball.
Okay, now throw the ball. Yeah, there you go.
Get that thing out of the way.
Alright, Gavin, here you go. There you go.
What? Defense.
Defense. Oh, man.
You're wild.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What are you wired
Too
up
many
on?
360s.
Yeah, did Mama give you coffee?
You didn't give him coffee, did you?
Whoa.
What?
Yeah,
He's come
back
low! What's up with that? That was almost creepy how smooth that was.
Your legs are gonna
Backwards.
get stuck, honey. Get out of there.
Yeah.
Crawling moonwalk.
Your legs are gonna get stuck, buddy. Get out of there.
Dad? Yeah, start getting
Lay down.
frustrated. Oh no. I'm stuck.
Lay down.
I'm done.
It's like, oh, okay.
You got your legs stuck, bud. Mark, come help.
For real?
This is going on home videos.
You can't scoot under there. Look at all those dust
How not to
down
raise
there.
kids.